This hadith, narrated by Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha, recounts an incident when the verse of Takhlis, purification, was revealed. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam called Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha and said, "O Aisha, I want to discuss something with you. Don't make any decision without consulting your parents." Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha asked what it was about, and then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam recited the verse, "O Prophet, say to your wives, if you should desire the worldly life and its torment, then come, I will provide for you and give you a gracious release." Quran, Surah 33, verse 28. Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha replied that she chooses Allah and His Messenger, and upon hearing this, Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was pleased. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23391.